Growing Vein Production.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, No Rule Book to Cooking. Today I have for you guys a grocery haul. I did a little grocery shopping today and I thought that I would just show you guys, what I got and some of the stuff, my go-to herbs and stuff that I usually get at the grocery store or farmers market. Okay, so let's start off with the meats. So today I went to Adams. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with that farmers market, but it's usually in the upstate area. And I've gotten some fresh salmon. I have here some cod fish. So salmon is really healthy. So I got this for my healthy meals, quick and healthy meals. The cod fish, I got this because I wanted to do a fish and chips, British style fish and chips. So I have that for that. I got me some drumsticks. I'm gonna use this to make lollipop chicken. I don't know if you guys ever seen that. And I got me some chicken thighs and chicken breast back there. Okay, so for those who have kids and it's not every time you want to be in the kitchen cooking, you can definitely pick up some sliced turkey, the deli turkey meat. So I got half a pound of that and cheese for the kids. They can help themselves with sandwiches when they come in from school. In the dairy now, I have some half and half and some whole milk, organic whole milk. I love this brand of whole milk. If I don't get this brand, it has to be organic whole milk though. Half and half. I usually get heavy cream. However, heavy cream is pretty expensive, so I kind of scale back on heavy cream this week, and I'm gonna work with the half and half. So if you have half and half, say you're trying to make Alfredo sauce, if you have half and half and some cream cheese, you're good to go. And whole milk, you're good to go. So that's my dairy products. So let's get into the fresh produce. I love me some fresh produce. I go through fresh produce weekly. Like all of this would be gone and within maybe 3 days, like no joke. So I got me some broccoli crowns, good healthy vegetables. I got eggplant. I've never eaten eggplant before, but I am going to give it a try. I'm going to use this to make eggplant parmesan. So let's see how that turns out. Brussels sprouts. Love me some Brussels sprouts. They're kind of like mini cabbages, but they're super delicious and healthy for you. And less peeling with the cabbage. You could just slice them in half and steam them or roast them in the oven. Super simple. Back here, definitely need the parsley for your garnishing. Got me some cilantro. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw I made that cilantro lime chicken the other day. Super delicious. Cilantro is good too for your tacos and your what they call it, avocados. What do you call that? Avocado dip? What do you call that when you I don't know why I can't remember the name, but anyways, avocado salsa or whatever. Got some broccolinis. I usually go for the regular broccoli. I saw these, so I decided I'm gonna give them a try. So I'm gonna cook this today. Broccolini and bok chow. I used to eat bok chow with chicken all the time. So when I saw this, it brought back memories. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna get me some bok chow and make some chicken and bok chow sometime in the week. Got fresh basil. Love basil. Basil smell is so potent and so good. So I got the one that I could replant. so the roots inside. So I'm gonna get me a little pot and I'm going to replant it so I can start growing my own basil. Basil is good for your Italian dishes, you know, like your tomato sauce, you're making pizza. So that's really good for that. Got some ginger, always need ginger. Good for the immune system, the digestive system. Some cucumbers. These were 4 for $3, which is pretty good because they're English cucumbers and it's usually you get one for like $2. So I saw that. I definitely had that. Got some juicy plum tomatoes. Gotta have those. Here on my fruit side, I got some bananas. This is how I get my bananas. Like, you know, not ripe, not too green. So that way they don't get too ripe too fast. I don't like ripe bananas. I like to eat them when they're like just there. So got a bunch of bananas, got some lemons. You need your lemon, you know, for your lemon water. You make your salmon, lemon zest, you know, so you definitely need fresh lemons apart from, you know, buying lemon juice. Got some Granny Smith apples. The kids snack on this a lot. I snack on this with peanut butter, so that's pretty good snacks. Some navel oranges, some pears, love those. And what else is down there? I think that's it. And I'm also going to be making apple pie, so that's why I got the Granny Smith apples for that. Got some fresh strawberries. I got these on sale, 2 for $3. That's a really good sale. So fresh strawberries and blueberries. I am going to try my best to have like a smoothie diet week. So that's why I got these fresh strawberries and some blueberries. I am going to wash them, slice them up, and portion them out in Ziploc bags so I could just pop them in my NutriBullet and make me a nice smoothie on the daily. So that's why I got these for. Let's see how it works out. I'm not really a smoothie person, but I'm trying to drop 10 pounds. So, you know, I got to get it together real quick. All right. So here I have walnuts and some lentils, green lentils. And I bought these because I am going to be making a vegan meatloaf. These are the base ingredients for that. I will be doing a YouTube video on how I do the vegan meatloaf, so just look out for that. Got me some spinach here. Gotta have the greens. Some mini potatoes. These are good for roasting, and you know, just pop these in the oven. Salt, pepper, you know, a little parsley, garlic. Super delicious. And I got me some carrots here. The carrots, I'm gonna chop the carrots and put it in my vegan meatloaf. All right, there's other ingredients too, you will see when I do the video. So that is my grocery haul. This is typically how my grocery shopping list looks. A lot of greens, lots of fruits and vegetables, you know, minor lean protein, dairy, and just some quick luncheon stuff for the kids. So there you have it, guys. A quick grocery haul for y'all right here. Have not checked out my oxtail video, it's up. Make sure you guys go watch that, and don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a thumbs up, leave a comment, like, share this video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.